sustained speed of 45 miles an hour, it's going to be very difficult for deputies to remain out on the roads and trying to help people through that crucial time. We're going to try our best to get to you, but the bottom line is we just may not be able to get to your location. So we are really begging you to evacuate once you have the order. Find a safe location for you and your